Hello AEOS community, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Crypto Guru. Just like I dropped the last update I made about AEOS, many people jumped in and there's a lot of people that are yet to join this AEOS platform. This AEOS platform is going to make you a lot of profits only if you focus and do the right thing. If you act fast, then trust me, you will be one of the early birds and you will definitely make a lot of profit. Now in few weeks, AEOS grabbed more than 20,000 users, and I want you to know more about AEOS. Now in this video I'll be showing you how you can be able to deposit and withdraw. Right, I've already explained about AEOS. AEOS is a platform where you're going to learn beyond limits, right, and you are going to learn and earn, ready to turn your progress into profit. This AEOS, there's a 10 ways you are going to earn by playing games. You are also going to get rewards daily inside AEOS platform, right, and you can withdraw as minimum as 5 USDT, and also there's no maximum amount of withdrawal. You can withdraw any amount you have, at least minimum is 5 USDT. So I want you to know that any contract you join inside AEOS, they are going to give you their pre-sale tokens, and these people are working on launching an exchange, which means you can be able to trade a lot of crypto coins and many more. So I want you guys to join AEOS right now and grab this opportunity without wasting time. If you want to know more about AEOS, hit me up and let's continue with the tutorial of withdrawing and depositing. So let's go. So if you register inside AEOS, this is how your platform is going to show, like this, right? This is how it's going to show. And then the first thing you need to do, I will advise you to do first, is to bind your wallet address, which is the address you're going to use for withdrawal, right? If you want to withdraw your earnings, this is the address you're going to use. Just tap on this edit profile. If you tap here, tap on edit profile. Once you tap on edit profile, then you scroll down, right, you put your address right here. Copy your BIP20 wallet address, whether you're using Binance, you're using Bybit or Bitget, any of them, or Trust Wallet. Just copy your BIP20 wallet address, you paste it right here, and then you tap on update. Once you tap on update, that means you have submitted your wallet address, and anything you withdraw from your earnings, they are going to your own BIP20 wallet address straight without wasting time. Now let's go to the platform. If you see the interface right here, you are going to see dashboard, my knowledge. Now tap on this my knowledge. Once you tap on my knowledge, this is where you're going to subscribe for any plan. After adding that your address, the first thing you need to do is to subscribe. Now you can see I'll subscribe the highest plan, which is the Genesis, and I'm already earning and withdrawing daily. I've showed you guys my withdrawals. Now I want you guys to know, if you want to subscribe, just tap on this button, this one right here. You tap on subscribe. Once you tap on subscribe, you select your own plan. If you want to subscribe with basic plan, you tap on basic, right? You are going to see subscribe, this one right here. If you want to use 30 USDT, then you're going to tap 30 USDT. Now like this 15 USDT, they are going to ask you for gas fee, so just recharge. If you are sending money to this wallet, just send 16.5 USDT, right, because they are adding gas fee. So what you need to do is to tap on subscribe. Once you tap on subscribe, they are going to give you wallet address, this wallet address right here. You guys can see it. You can use this QR code, but I advise you to copy this and just send tokens. Now when you copy this wallet address and you send tokens, they are going to appear right here, this place right here. Once you copy it, go to your Binance, Bybit, or any crypto exchanges, right? Any crypto exchange, just go inside and paste this wallet address there. Now let me copy it like this. After copying it, what am I going to do? I'm going to my Bybit. I'm just giving you guys example, right? But there's one mistake I would not like you guys to make. If you are recharging 16.5, right, what you're going to see here, sometimes you can just send 17 so that you will not make any mistake, or just send the 16.5. Once you copy the wallet address, go to your Bybit or any crypto exchange, right? If you are sending from Bybit, make sure that you are using BIP20, right? Now if I want to send from Bybit, what am I going to do? I'm going to tap on deposit. right? I'm going to tap on assets, then I'll tap on withdraw. Sorry, I'll tap on withdraw. I have small money right here. Once you tap on withdraw, right, crypto withdrawal, you tap on crypto withdrawal. I'm just giving you guys example with Bybit. Now I have 18 USDT right here. You tap on this your USDT. Once you tap on your USDT, then you tap on chain. Once you tap on chain, you paste the address, right? You paste the address. Once you paste the address, then you tap right here and select BIP20, right? You select BIP20, this first one, you select BIP20, and then you put 16. If you are using 16.5, right? And then you send, as simple as that. And after sending it, you go back inside the app. Once you go back inside the app, then you come here, you will see your balance here. Even if you don't see anything, as far as you have already sent it and it shows successful, then you tap on confirm, right? Once you confirm it, it's going to subscribe to this plan automatically, right? And then you can start claiming daily. How can you be able to claim after subscribing? You tap on these three lines, right? Then you tap on my knowledge, right? Once you tap on my knowledge, scroll down, you are going to see your active plan right here. So this is my balance. I'm going to tap on claim. Once I tap on claim, I'll tap on yes. Make sure that the showing amount right here, at least minimum of 5 USDT, right? If you subscribe for small plan, let the money gather to 5 USDT before you can be able to withdraw. Yes, I am sure. So you can see you have successfully claimed your 13.20 USDT balance credit. Now you tap on close. As simple as that. If you know you benefit from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. If there's any update about AEOS, I'll be dropping it in this channel. Also make sure you check the description of this video for link to register and start earning from AEOS. For more information, join our WhatsApp group. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.